Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us high.
So hey guys, here's a quick room tour of the place that I've been staying for the last 3 days. So here's the entry door, here's the entrance. Then on your right, you're gonna have the wardrobe. This is how it looks like. Interesting, eh? So here it is. Some storage space, some hangers, and a safe in there. And there's more space here. So that will be on your right. Up here, there is the air conditioner, the AC. Then on your left, you have the bathroom. So here's the sink with a big mirror. As you can see, you're provided with the shampoo, lotion, conditioner, and body wash, and some tissues over there, and everything that you need, some glasses, and a small blow dryer. Here's the socket where you can use it. So here's the sink where you can brush your teeth and all that. There's a small basket where you can place your dirty laundry, and a waste basket for that. Here is the toilet seat, toilet bowl, some tissues over there, and there's this one here, and some towel hangers over here. Then here is the shower area, the shower head, and there you can place your soap. So you go back in. On your left, here's the bed, and this is big as you can imagine. Then there's the bedside lamp, the dialer where you can call the reception and all that, the bedside table, another mirror over here. Then on this side you have a small fridge and a table provided for a heater. Yeah, come in. Heater, glasses, some tea, a TV, and a small table and 2 seats. Then on this side you can actually go out. You can go out. There's a big door, and there's a space where you can actually sit out here. Look at the views, baby. Look at the views. So right here you're facing the swimming pool, and here are the views from where you'll be sitting. So guys, that was a small tour of the place. I hope you liked it. It was really comfortable.